guys, welcome back to the vlog. Today we're gonna do a mukbang featuring McDonald's. McDonald's, thank you so much for sponsoring this video. Again with these little thingies, the counter's right there.
Bro, how? Zoom in. $4 for 10. 2 more bucks, you get a whole nother 10.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
Interesting.
Do you want a soda?
No, I only drink water.
What's wrong with you?
Okay guys, while we're waiting for our food, I'm gonna introduce you to my friends. Okay, this is Kawa. Follow her on Instagram.
Yeah, it'll be somewhere on the screen.
And Jordan.
Hey, Big Ed.
Hey. Hey guys, so we finally got our food.
I got nuggets.
Yay!
What'd y'all get? Nuggets?
Nothing.
SOB, that's the gang, bitch! My name's Jordan Edwards.
What the fuck? They removed it. MCM back, little nigga back. Fuck where that ass at, bitch, where that cash at. Now when we smoking little dope, we don't match that. Any sucker nigga slide through, getting clapped at. House like we running through that bitch like it's fast track. Remember all them days I was broke, but I'm past that. Get the job done when I'm busting, I don't backtrack. Hit a block with them blocks, I watch shit. Shoot it like.
Who do the sucky? Makes so much sense.
What are you talking about, bro? I'm just trying to drink my drink.
Jordan. Hey guys, say hi to the vlog. Hey guys, say hi to my friends. Introduce yourself.
Hi, I'm Cameron.
And I'm cooler than him, I'm Trevor, so.
Facts.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
That's racist.
We got 20-piece chicken nuggets.
It's not black, it's racist. Obviously Hawaiians enslaved black people.
Doesn't want the, he wants to eat the big ones.
And there's only big ones left.
He said don't eat the big ones.
Oh, yeah, we didn't.
And he said don't go crazy too. And y'all was stupid. Y'all ain't go crazy. Don't go crazy. Alright, we just gonna go stupid.
We did what he said though. He didn't want us to eat the big ones and we did.
Yeah, facts.
You know what, in my defense, he shouldn't have left it out.
Sounds like I was about to hold up in court.
They say nuggets from McDonald's are bad for you.
I mean, they probably
yeah.
are.
Bro, they're just Tyson chicken nuggets. Have you guys ever seen how it's made?
No. Why would we?
Oh yeah, thanks again McDonald's for sponsoring this video. Thanks for the
McDonald's,
free
honestly, that'd be fantastic.
thanks for the free nuggets and fries.
Y'all got these for free?
Oh, thank you.
For sure.
Thank you.
Hey,
Nah, she good. She could say it. He could say it.
Trevor, do I have the authority?
Okay. I'm gonna find
No,
Wait, what's the middle part?
I don't know who it is,
Oh,
but
cute.
someone take it.
A romantic candlelit dinner would be incomplete without.
Sure.
Goes pretty well.
The most
Okay.
basic one.
Yeah.
A romantic candlelit dinner would be incomplete without itchy pussy. What the fuck? Giving birth to the Antichrist.
Yes.
Penis breath. And waking up half naked in a Denny's parking lot. Yeah. Waking up half naked in a Denny's parking lot.
Thank you. What? All right.
10 down, 10 more to go.
Okay, this is the way the world ends. This is the way the world ends. Not with a bang, but with a blank.
Sure. Accurate.
This is the way the world ends. This is the way the world ends. Not with a bang, but with a Stalin. Goddamn communists. Not with a bang, but with a bubble butt bottom boys. I'm not Catholic, so I'm not into that.
Nice.
Oh my god.
But with gay conversion therapy, a bleached asshole.
Nice.
We're gonna go with Stalin.
There we go.
What?
Fantastic.
What?
I'm a history nerd.
Yeah,
So
it's
Why does
exactly the
it
same.
gets housed up on a bleached asshole?
To be, what is George W. Bush thinking about right now? Okay, so what is George W. Bush thinking about? The patriarchy, Republicans, the gays, or Stephen Hawking talking dirty. I mean, they're all subpar, right?
They really
So
Are we
we're
going
just gonna
for
go through those
correct?
accurate. So probably the Republicans.
Yeah, let's go.
The Republican Party's gone.
It was great.
Blank. Bet you can't have just one.
Actually,
I'm-
yeah.
Aww.
See that?
she crispy and thick or whatever. Or whatever.
Here, let me shuffle it up. Prescription painkillers. Bet you can't have just one.
Well,
You're not wrong. All you can eat shrimp for $8.99.
I mean, if you're late night, I'd probably.
I mean-
all you can eat? Yeah, that's
Yeah,
pretty
yeah,
good.
you literally just couldn't have one.
Yeah.
I mean,
Flesh eating
Hulk
bacteria,
for
bet you can't
$8.99
have
you
just
don't get
one.
one.
That's true because they multiply really fast. So.
Oprah. Bet you can't have just one.
No,
I'm gonna go with. Oh, no, I'm playing. Prescription painkillers.
Goddamn.
Oh, good. Me?
Dark humor is kind of funny.
I need more opioids, please.
We bought 20 chicken nuggets.
Does he not know about over?
So together we bought 60 altogether. My turn. Okay. What's a girl's best friend?
God, there's so many.
There's so many.
It's okay,
Okay.
you're blind, I understand.
What's a girl's best friend? A milkman. Okay. AIDS.
Oh, God.
Balls.
Yes.
Getting cummed on. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna go with balls.
Damn it.
What the fuck?
How did you know? How did you not make that one? Or AIDS. AIDS was kind of funny.
AIDS
AIDS
is
was me.
bad.
Wait, get a boomerang.
What the heck?
30 seconds.
Are you gonna record it?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, lol.
I didn't get it.
Alright, we just finished game night. Say bye to the vlog, guys.
Adios.
Bye. Bye, Jordan. Okay, we just finished game night. We're going to the library now because we're good students.
We're independent students. I actually ended up as many years.
Because we're good students and we want to ace all of our classes. What time is it? It's like, is it really? You're like, no. Hey, I'm Sarai. I'm sure I'm not having a good time right now. My name is Mara. I have severe depression. And you're watching Disney Channel. We're free! We're free! How do you feel, Kawa?
Hard.
Poor Kawa's freaking essay. Her freaking essay, like when she was almost done with it, almost
get it at the end of the
2,000 words
semester.
got
I'm
literally
gonna
like
shit on it.
deleted. I felt so bad. And she had to start.
I know.
She literally had to start all over. I felt so bad. I wanted to cry with you. Going back to our rooms now. Gonna go back to sleep or go to sleep, and then I have to wake up at 8 a.m. for my chemistry quiz. Yeah, and then I have micro at 9:50, and then chapel, and then I'm done for the day, which is pretty nice. So. It's Sunday, sis.
Oh my god! I'm ending it.
Okay, good night, guys. I love you all. Alright, hey guys, I'm finally back in my room. It's about 11:48 p.m. Basically, I'm just gonna like summarize the whole day like really briefly. So this morning, me and my friend Cal and Jordan, we both went to church, and then we got lunch and we did some homework, and then we had a bright idea to do like a little vlog with like a mukbang or mukbang, whatever you want to call it. So we went to McDonald's, as you guys saw, and we came back to campus and we played Cards Against Humanity and we ate dinner together. It was really fun. And then after I won, we went to the library and we studied for a good hour and a half, and now I'm back in my room. If you guys watched this far, thank you so much. If you guys want to see more videos, make sure to subscribe so I know. If not, you know, it's okay. Just watch for your enjoyment, you know, if you're bored. But thanks again for watching. I have a chemistry quiz at 8 o'clock in the morning that I need to go to sleep for. So yeah, I'm gonna go to bed, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.